Striking design, where style meets sustainability. The 2024 Kia EV6 is a head-turner. Its design language is bold and futuristic, instantly setting it apart from the crowd. Kia's designers have masterfully sculpted a vehicle that is both aerodynamically efficient and visually stunning. The EV6's sleek silhouette cuts through the air with minimal resistance, enhancing its range and performance. Its sharp lines and muscular curves exude a sense of dynamism, even when standing still. The car's distinctive front fascia features Kia's signature tiger nose grille, which has been reimagined for the electric age. The EV6's rear is equally striking, with a sloping roofline that culminates in a unique spoiler-like design. The full-width LED taillights add a touch of sophistication and enhance visibility at night. Available in a range of vibrant colors and with a choice of stylish wheel designs, the EV6 allows you to express your individuality,